Ashish Kyal from Wave Strategy Advisors is now joining in with a few closing strategies. Ashish, the gains are not holding, but it's still a snapback from 4 days of a losing streak. So as we speak, we're up close to about 0.3% on the Nifty and the Sensex, but rapidly unwinding. What's the call on the Nifty? And do you see this 23,200 from where we took support today as a very important support level, which is unlikely to be breached?
Hi, afternoon to you and all the viewers. If you look at Nifty, like we talked yesterday also, the support zone is between 23,280 to 23,330, and that's where the markets try to form a low and also bounce back sharply from there. Having said that, the overall undertone remains sell on rise as of now, because 23,530, 23,540 is going to be a hurdle. 23,500 sees a good open interest build up also on both sides. So looks like the call side, call sellers are active at around 23,500. So crossing that is not going to be an easy task. So it's going to be range bound. From here, we can again possibly see a levels of around 23,330, 340 on the downside, and one can play for that range. On the upside, the major hurdle is around 23,540 levels on the Nifties. But I think it's going to be sideways for now, as long as 23,220, today's low, is intact.
Okay, got it. Ashish, what would negate this cautious stance of yours? Beyond what level on the upside?
On the upside, if Nifty manages to cross that 23,580, 23,630 mark, so 23,630 to be precise, if that is crossed, then we can say that short-term bottom is in place, and then we can start seeing some positive traction towards 23,900 or 24,000 levels. So 23,630 is going to be an important level, and one needs to keep a very close watch on that.
Got it. You want to fill us in with a couple of trading ideas?
Yes, absolutely. With respect to, we talked about how IT should outperform yesterday, and we can clearly see that performance coming from the IT large cap and the mid cap space as well, with Infosys up by nearly 5% or more than that. And the peak is going to be from Coforge. We can clearly see the mid cap IT has also started showing some kind of a green shoot, and Coforge is showing good momentum on the upside. We can expect a target of around 1,605 here. Stop loss can be maintained at 1,480. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be Reddington India. We can clearly see it has formed a base. It was underperforming for quite some time, but formed a good base around the zone of around 225. Gave breakout. There is an acceptance near the higher range of yesterday's level. So Reddington can be a target of 254. Stop loss can be maintained at 232.
Got it. Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Ashish.
With
Kyal joins us back to give us a couple of trading strategies. Ashish?
See, overall, from the trading perspective, there are stocks that are buzzing around right now, and I think Exide Industries has shown a very spectacular rise for the past few days, and even today the volumes have been spectacular. So the overall tone for Exide Industries is positive. We can expect the stock to reach towards the prior swing high, which is near the levels of around 425. On the downside, one can maintain a stop loss of around 390 levels. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be data patterns. We can see that the stock has formed a very classic reversal from 3,800, the swing low which was formed yesterday, and today it is managing to form a bullish candle. And we can expect the stock to move towards the level of 4,400 on the upside. As the sector is supporting, I think we can expect much higher levels. And on the downside, maintain a stop loss for the stock at around 3,800.
Got it. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot, Ashish, for that.